其实是这样的，我收到了一块冰山，然后我就开始敲啊敲，然后我就发现了藏在里面的气垫。这种开箱仪式还挺好玩，果然里面的包装也很纯，真不错，西西。
Oh my god， 也太美了吧！
带你逃去看一场演唱会，想你难过时在我怀中流泪，想和你背包走遍天南地北，想你共我尝尽人生的滋味，想下雨时小伞中有你依偎。
拜托，怎么会有这么美丽又实用的水泥盘？全盘没有一颗废色，还有这爆闪碎钻闪，谁抵得住啊？Once upon a time, don't lie. Feel your eyes, they're loving me. Don't be shy.
know that you've been gone. You and me, we don't belong. It only makes me strong. After the blood ran out, don't wanna know one else. That's what I used to know. Reset my life after you go. And the wind blows like you had me so cold. Oh, oh, how did you know? Since you left now I'm starting to grow. Oh, oh, I want you to You've been gone, you and me, we don't belong. It only makes me strong. After the blood ran out, don't wanna know one else. That's what I used to know. Reset my life after you go. And the wind blows like you had me so cold. Oh, oh, how did you know? Since you left now I'm starting to